Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to add a credit card to your PlayStation 5 account. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to add a credit card to your PlayStation 5 account and add funds to your account. So on the home screen, let's go up to the top and then go to settings and select this. Now under here, go to users and accounts. Now under accounts, go on down to payment and subscriptions. Manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Select this. Now under here, let's go to the top to payment methods. Add or edit payment methods and set your default payment method. Now I have two options on here. PayPal account, or I can add a credit card / debit card. Let's go to add credit card. So let's go ahead and type in the credit card number, the expiration date. Then you have to turn the credit card over and then add the security code and then exactly type in the name on the card. Then if you go over the security code, it will show you where the security code should be located on your credit card. This is a 3 or 4 digit code on your credit card / debit card. Then the next screen will be add billing address. You have to add the street address, the city, the state, postal code, country or region, and then you can check mark set as default payment method. So my payment method now has been added to my account, and I can see it listed in here now, and it's checkmark default. Now if I want to go ahead and remove this or edit the settings in here, all I have to do is go over the credit card, press options, and I can edit it or remove it from my PlayStation account. Now to add funds to your wallet, go back to payment and subscriptions by backing out, and then go to add funds to your wallet and choose your credit card. So hopefully this video helped you add a credit card to your PlayStation account. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.